I am joined by Morgan Jane Starkman.
Hi, daughter of the founders of Innersense Organic Beauty.
That's right.
And this, my friends, is one of my favorites. It's the True Enlightenment Scalp Scrub. Okay, you can smell peppermint in it. It's amazing. It smells like, it smells like heaven.
So good.
You can put it in like the shower, and you can you have to put it all over your scalp.
How does it feel when it's on your scalp?
It's tingly.
Tingly.
They have that tingle, you know?
You get that sense right when you smell it for the first time, and you're like, this is gonna,
whoa, it's so good.
This is gonna be fresh. So this product's great for obviously invigorating, helping cleanse the scalp, great at removing product buildup.
Right, totally right.
And hopefully next time we chat, you have used it.
Yeah.
Or I could use it on you sometime.
That'll be awesome.
Right? And mic drop.
And